friends, we're back and we are going to show you how to can your turkey stock. It's very simple. Now, as you know, we had our turkey stock, which is right here, as you can see. It's really hot. It's screaming hot. And we had it up to a boil because we want to pack our jars with nice hot broth or stock. So anyway, we've got about 6 jars here. I don't know just how many we're going to need, but we cleaned and sanitized 6 of them, and we got our little assembly line going. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to start filling our jars. And normally I'd show you one at a time, but I'm going to fill all these and do it just the way I normally do. You want about 1 inch of head space, so right up to the rim as you're going to go. Look at how rich and beautiful that looks. That really made some wonderful turkey stock right to the rim. We probably won't have all 6 jars. Quarts. You can do these in pints as well, but I do mine in quarts. I've got a bigger family. Well, I just might have 6. I may have more than 6. I didn't think I would, but right to the rim. Can you put that in the other one for me? There you go. Oh, thank you. My daughter is here with me, Lily. You can say hi, Lily.
Hi.
Okay, now we have one more in there, but that's okay for right now. We're going to show you how we do this. So let me move the camera up here. All right, so I'm showing you and Lily. There's our jar, and that baby's screaming hot. You can see it steaming. This cloth, I've got a little vinegar on it because vinegar will cut this, any grease or any oil that's on your rim, and then it will seal better. Okay? So you're going to wipe that off really good. Our lids are over here sitting in nice hot water, but I didn't boil them. They don't recommend you boiling them anymore because it can damage the seal. So I just pour them in nice hot water so that everything's good and hot. We're going to lay that on top of there. And you're just going to tighten it finger tight. That's it. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to put it in my camera. Okay, we'll do a couple more here. Ooh, they're hot. Wipe the rim down. Grab your lid. And just finger tight. Okay? Now you can do one. Here, I'll put the jar here for you. That first. Yeah, wait a minute. There you go. Yep.
Yeah, don't do that.
That's hot.
Yes.
Is it finger tight? Yeah, a little bit. There we go. That's good. Look at how beautiful those are. Can you see that color? Absolutely gorgeous. All right. So we'll get these last few done. And I got a couple more of these to do, and I got probably 1 more quart in my stock pot. So I'm going to get those done in the canner. I'll bring you back and show you the next step. Okay, I'm back, and I'm going to show you. I've got 5 because we're making soup, so I had to use one. Anyway, we've got 5 nice quarts in here. I've got about 2 quarts of water in there. I've got it heating up. I'm going to put the lid on this. My lid is a bear to get on. We'll see if I can't get it on. got my lid on here. Okay, I got the lid on. Now this, you can see it, my little vent right here. When this canner heats up, you're going to want this vent to spew a steady stream for at least 10 minutes. And that heats everything up inside. And then you can put your jiggler on. And then wait for it to build up to pressure. You're going to put it on at 10 pounds of pressure. When it builds up to pressure and starts jiggling, that is when you're going to start timing it. And you're going to time pints for 20 minutes and quarts for 25. So, when this is all done, after 20 minutes of pressure canning, we will be back and I'll show you the outcome. Okay friends, we are back and this is done. And remember, when you open this, you open it like that, away from you. Because even though all the pressure's out of it, it's still screaming hot. And you can literally hear them popping, and I need a towel. The lids are already sealing. Oh, you know what else I need? I'll be right back. Good for not being prepared before I'd record. Okay. Look at there. If that isn't the most beautiful caramel color. Absolutely gorgeous.
You sure it's not honey?
Yeah, looks like it. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful. This is the best way. Oh, hear that? That's what you want to hear. That's music to a canner's ears. All right. See that one? Doing pretty good. This is the best way to make stock and the cheapest way to make stock, because it's not cheap in the stores. And you know what else is good about this? You know what's in it. And you know what you're feeding your family. So there you go, friends. Let me turn this down so you can see all these jars. I got 5 in there. Ooh, hear that? That's what you want to hear. So I'm just going to go. I'm going to let these cool for a few hours, and then I'll wash my jars up and put them in my pantry after I label them. So there you have it. It's that easy. That one popped so hard, it popped the residue off the top of it. That's funny. All right, thank you for watching.